Creativity and curiosity does not have a gender. So is science and technology. Today, to maintain an innovative edge and to solve the increasingly challenging problems and build sustainable solutions, we need a substantial pool of STEM talent.
STEM skills play a very significant role as change makers in our society. If you are a scientist, an engineer, a mathematician, you are key to the transformation process of our world.
And we have just witnessed the largest and the fastest digital transformation of our lives. COVID enforced it on us, and science and technology responded to that. So, whether it was working remotely or it accelerated vaccine development and distribution, all was made possible by STEM.
STEM is all about innovation, and innovation is a reflection of the people who have made it. We as humans are biased, and so is our technology. And in today's world, all of this innovation is impacting our day-to-day lives directly. And if it is designed with only 50% of the population considered, how well it could be for the society.
Like the consumers are of all of the information technology projects are both men and women. So if the consumers are going to be including women, it's good to have even the producers of the information technology projects include women, right? To have the right balance, to have the right representation and inclusivity into it.
By having women in this field, they will bring in their diverse perspective, experiences and ideas, which will help us design solutions which are much more effective, and the end product would be something which would suit everybody's needs.
The reason we need women to pursue careers in STEM is because it promotes diversity of thought, diversity in action, and diversity at the workplace. And all these elements are very important to promote creativity and innovation in current times.
My advice for girls and women who want to make a successful career out of STEM is just to be lifelong learner. There are so many new things that keep happening into this area. It's critical, it's essential to keep learning new things all the time.
So my message to women in particular who wish to have a successful career in STEM, just go for it.
Learn programming, any one programming language, and master it. Programming helps in the development of structured thinking. Learn cloud, learn data and analytics. Pick any one industry area of where you see a lot of potential, build skills in that area. Join industry bodies, communicate, collaborate, and contribute.
STEM jobs are also highly paid, and it gives you a financial independence, opportunity to travel the world, and flexible work culture.
My advice for women pursuing careers in STEM is to keep the curiosity alive in them.
Believe in yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. With belief, focus, and action, great things are possible.
Be prepared to break the stereotypes. Believe in yourself. Give your 100%. STEM needs you. Aspire to be the role model for the generations to come.
This world needs help, and its problems is getting more and more complex by the minute. We need all hands and all perspectives on deck. Give the world with transformation it needs. Go for it.